Hey everyone, it's Camille Aiko. I hope that you are living the life that you love spiritually, mentally, physically, and financially. This is a quick tutorial on how you can download Facebook videos, both public and private videos. So you're going to use the Chrome internet browser and you're going to go to Google. When you get to Google, type in Toolkit for Facebook. And let's see, it actually had already, we'll go ahead and click that there. When you come here, this is a Chrome extension, okay, and so you're going to click there on that top option. It's going to bring you to the Chrome Web Store. Now, I already have this downloaded, so this blue button will say Add to Chrome, and once you click that, then it is going to add the extension to your Chrome browser. Okay, so this is, you can't do it on Chrome and then use it on other internet browsers like Safari or whatever the other ones are. All right, so once that is complete, you'll see here this little icon that says TFF and it's blue. You're going to be able to click on that. And then it's going to give you all of these different options. So you can actually do more than just download the videos, but I know that's what a lot of people like to do. So you can see here, click all like buttons, accept or reject friend requests, click all poke buttons, click all friend buttons. Okay, so you can look at what those are. We're going to continue to scroll on down here to where it says download Facebook videos, and we're going to click Start Tool. Okay, so now it's going to bring you here. So I'm going to head over to my Facebook page. Not that. Let's cancel that out. Let's see. Come over here. All right, so this is a Facebook Live that I did. And so what I'm going to do is, let me close this first, is I'm going to right click it and it's going to say show video URL. So then you'll click on show video URL and it'll pop up here. Then you're going to want to highlight that and copy it. All right, so once you copy the URL, then you're going to head back over and you are going to right click and hit paste. Now that you have that in there, you're going to click download Facebook video. You can see down here it says generating download link. So once that's done, it's going to bring you to this page. And now what you're going to do is right click and click save as video. Now it is going to download here, and I'm going to go ahead and you can rename it if you want to. I'm going to click save. And so now this video is downloading onto my computer. And that's how you download videos, private and public, from Facebook. So hopefully that was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments. And I will talk to you guys later. Again, I'm Camille Aiko, and I hope that you are living the life that you love spiritually, mentally, physically, and